Hello mga kabun! So today we are going to go in a restaurant here in Las Piñas in which they are providing unlimited wings, unlimited fries, unlimited pasta, unlimited takoyaki. Pero syempre yung bill hindi unlimited. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung masarap yung food nila dito. And I'm here together with my workmates. Ito yung isang kasama ko. Yan. Jowa ko nga pala to guys, pero hindi niya alam. Uy, may nonchalant yan eh. Saka yung si Steven. At saka syempre aking magandang driver. Thank you so much for accompanying me in my travel for today. Okay? So, kita-kita tayo mamaya. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pangalan ng restaurant sa kung ano yung mga food na pwede natin kainin mamaya. Okay? So, see you later mga kamoon! Hello, good afternoon mga kamoons. So, nandito na tayo sa place na sinasabi ko sa inyo, which is Wingzilla. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ng mga may unlimited takoyaki, unlimited wings, unlimited fries, unlimited pasta, and unlimited drinks. And syempre, kasama ko ang aking mga kasama sa work. Hello, say hello naman kayo sa vlog ko. Yes. So, hindi lang ako kakain today kasi visually sa vlog ko, ako lang yung nakikita nyo. Today, I'm with my co-workers and we are going to taste kung anong lasa ng food nila dito. So, later, I'll bibigay ko sa inyo kung ano yung honest review ko, kung masarap ba siya o hindi. Sulit nga ba? And the question is, magkano ba siya? So, see you later, mga kamoods. Mga kamoods, ito yung menu nila dito sa Wingzilla. Yan, yun yung offer ni ate. Yan, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung menu item. Mas malaki pa siya sa ulo ko. Ayan. So, ayan. So, may mga choices sila. So, ate, ano to?
Dali mo po tayo mga flavors po. May mga maanghang din po. May sweet and spicy din po tayo.
Okay. So, ano siya? Unlimited fries, pasta, takoyaki, rice. Rice, no? And drinks. Pero yung drinks niya is puro mga sodas lang. Mga flavors for wings is ilang flavors to?
Dali po flavors po siya.
12? 12. 10.
Additional po tayo na dalawang flavors.
Pati nga yung seasonal flavors nila.
Spicy po siya.
Ayan, spicy. Ayan. So the question is, magkano siya, no? It's $3.99, okay? Tapos tingnan nyo, meron siyang unli. Ayan.
Pasta din po, takoyaki.
Yes, unli pasta, unli takoyaki, unli fries, unli drinks. Tapos mag-a-add ka lang ng 59 pesos and meron na kayong unlimited ramen. Anong flavor to, ate?
Tonkotsu po is white and spicy tonkotsu po. Tapos may udon po na.
So ito isa-serve na lang to.
Okay.
Kung order na lang kami.
Dahil
Ayan.
sa pag kung sino po yung gusto po mag-ramen, add lang po ng 50.
Okay.
Dahil hindi lang po siya pwedeng sharing po pag yung iba po mas ayaw po mag-asa.
Okay. So ano to? Pwede dito cash, GCash, credit card, dyan. Okay. Credit card di pwede. Okay. So GCash and cash lang tayo dito mga kamoods. And then, yung servings nyo dito sa wings, ilang flavors yung sinaserve nyo dito?
At pag mga 10% po tayo, pwede mo po tayo mag-share ng mga 8 flavors po. Plus, take the 10
Yun.
pieces po.
Ayun. Anong mga sellable yung flavors dito?
Yes, ano po natin, sweet soy garlic po. Medyo sweet po siya na barbecue, tonkatsu po, garlic parmesan po, salted egg po. Sa hang naman po, New buffalo po, at saka yan.
Okay, sige. Tingin ko sa dami namin dito at sa laki ng mga tiyan nila, mauubos namin lahat to.
Pwede po all flavors po.
Pwedeng all flavors daw. Ayan. Sige. Eh, dito sa, ano nyo, ramen, ano yung mabenta dyan?
Spicy tonkotsu po, tsaka tonkotsu.
Okay. So, yon mga kamuts ang available sa menu. So, later on, titikman natin. Tingnan natin kung masarap siya. And then, let's see kung ano yung marirecommend. Okay? See you later, mga kamuds. Bye. Okay, mga kamuds. So, we already placed our order. So, our next thing we're gonna do is, kukuha naman tayo ng mga drinks. Meron sila mga only drinks here, pero it's all soda kasi. May Coke, may Sprite, may Zero, and Royal. So, syempre, alam mo naman ako, ako ay on the, what do you call that? On the diet side. So, here, nandito yung ice. No? Yan. Hindi ko alam kung kakamayin ko siya, pero feeling ko ganun na nga yung mangyayari. Kasi wala akong nakikitang tongs. I don't know. Wala. So, nandito guys yung mga cutleries nila. And then, kuha ka na lang dito ng drinks mo. Yan. Yan. And then, Coke Zero ako. Yan. So, let's wait second. Mga 15 minutes daw kasi yung... Okay? See you later.
15 minutes later.
Okay, mga kamuts. Andito na yung mga in-order nating food. So, let's taste kung masarap nga at sulit ba yung mga only foods na ino-offer nila dito. So, I'll first start with the soup kasi ako usually start with the soup. Pampainit ng siya, in other words, para malaman natin kung masarap na yung broth nila dito. No? So, this is the spicy tonkatsu. So, let's taste muna.
Nice.
Sarap. Okay. And then, let's taste yung eggs nila. Masarap yung eggs nila. Marinated yung eggs nila dito. And then, yung fish rolls, yung fish, nila, masarap ng fish slice nila dito, okay din. Okay, so what I like with the spicy tonkatsu is that hindi siya masyado manghang, tolerable siya. If you're gonna ask me, kasi unang-una hindi naman ako talaga very mahilig sa super anghang. So for me, it will fit my palate. So goods naman siya. I just wish that probably siguro mas maganda kung medyo mas marami yung pork slices niya kasi medyo parang konti lang yung nakita kong pork slices niya here. Parang ito lang yung nakikita ko. But the rest is all ramen and vegetables and eggs and the fish slice. So let's proceed with the takoyaki. Ito yung cheese takoyaki nila. Let's taste kung masarap. Kunin ko muna. Yan. So ito siya, ganito yung tsura niya. Tingnan natin kung very evident yung mga octopus sa loob. Masarap yung takoyaki nila kasi marami yung portion ng cheese sa loob at saka very crunchy yung texture nung octopus niya sa loob, which is I really like. Hindi masyadong overpowering yung sauce na nilagay nila dito, which is complementing on all the flavors that you can taste. Definitely, this is one of recommendable food that they have here. Dito tayo sa Pinoy Spaghetti. Yan. So, ito yung tsura niya. And then, let's see kung masarap nga siya, no? Typical Filipino spaghetti. Matamis. Meaty naman. But I wish it could have been a little bit hot. Kasi medyo cold na yung noodles na nun. I don't know kung medyo matagal na siya, pero yun lang yung nalisahan ko. But let's go and taste some of the fries that they have. Ako kasi favorite ko is barbecue flavor for the fries. Yung barbecue fries hindi masyadong maalat, masarap. Let's taste the cheese. Oh no, sorry. This is sour cream. compared to barbecue, mas masarap yung sour cream, if you're gonna ask me. And this one is, oh my God, wasabi. Ayan, thank you, te. Dun sa kabila. This wasabi, right?
Looks like you're enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah, that looks.
Preference lang, guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa wasabi. I'm sorry, hindi ako mahilig sa wasabi. Pero, mainit pa naman yung first yung nakain ko. Dito tayo sa main event. Yung mga unli chickens nila. So, gagawin ko, I'm gonna be using ang magic gloves natin. So, we have 4 flavors here. So, ito yung sweet and soy garlic. Ito yung Jack Daniels. Ito yung honey mustard. And ito yung, what's that? I forgot the other flavor. Ano to ulit? Letter T. Patingin, nakalimutan ko siya. No, letter T. Tonkatsu. Gets ko na. So, ito yung tonkatsu. So, let's taste muna yung tonkatsu. Sa wings, guys, kasi hati yan sa dalawa. Itong medyo may patulis at saka itong parang may pagka chicken lollipops. So, ako mas gusto ko yung part na ganito chicken lollipops. So, let's taste the tonkatsu flavor. The chicken is crispy. It's juicy inside. When it comes to the flavor, I should say, nga ano mo naman yung lasa ng tonkatsu, malalasahan mo naman. Kasi may mga sesame seeds, so nalalasahan mo pa naman siya. Let's taste the honey mustard. What tayo ng honey mustard? This one, honey mustard. Check natin. Nasang-lasa mo yung mustard here. And yung honey hindi overpowering. So tama lang yung combination niya if you're gonna ask me. Muna tayo ha. Okay. Let's taste yung Jack Daniels nila. Sana hindi ako malasing. Okay. Okay. First time ko mag-taste ng Jack Daniels na wing sa wing flavor. Masarap pala siya, no? Parang savory yung lasa niya. I think it's okay. Not that super duper na nasarapan ako, pero okay na siya. Ang last but not the least is the sweet soy garlic. This is the best seller. Okay. Alam ko na kung bakit. Tama nga. Ito nga talaga yung menu. Kasi the balance of the sweet, the maalat, the savory, at saka umami niya masarap. Among all of the 4 of this, ito talaga yung i-recommend ko sa inyo, yung sweet soy garlic. So, pag order kayo dito, this is one for the books. I would highly recommend. Okay? So, samahan nyo kami, let's eat and enjoy all of the foods that we have here. Okay? Let's go, let's eat na. Okay, so mga kamoves, we are going to give our verdict for the restaurant that we just ate today, which is Wingzilla, which is at my back. So again, we are going to give a rating based on 3 criterias. First is the place, second is the service, and last but not the least is the food. Now, we are going to use 3 scorings for that. Number 1, it could be have, which means that they have exceeded our expectations. It could be carry, which means that it has met our expectations. Or pwede ring wale, which means that it did not meet our expectations at all. So let's start first with the place. So Wingzilla restaurant here in Las Piñas is inside Torres Sur Tower. So madali lang siyang makita kasi along Alabang Zapote Road lang siya. It's very accessible to public transportations. Accessible din siya. Own private vehicle, mag-waste ka lang, and then there are nearby parking areas. And then when it comes to the payment options, you can only pay using GCash and cash. And then, maganda naman yung lighting sa loob, maluwag. Although I should say, siguro yung seating capacity niya, hindi ganun super kalaki. I would say it would be enough to accommodate like at least mga around 50, the most, if you're gonna ask me. And I also noticed with the facilities inside, wala silang CR or lavatory area to wash kasi since it's unlimited, so usually naka-plastic gloves ka lang. But you know what I mean, sometimes it can get messy. So I just wish siguro as an opportunity is to have a lavatory, specifically kasi hinahanap ko yan, lalo na kapag unlimited yung kinakain mo kasi it can get really messy from time to time, right? So I think that's the only thing that I see that needs improvement in this place. Pero the basic amenities are there. So I will just give the place a score of carry. Now let's go with the service. Well, with the service, we are greeted naman with the waitress staff there and everything that I asked regarding the flavors of the wings. Kasi di ba ang daming flavors ng wings, 10 lahat yun. She was able to give me more information about it. And she's really very conversational and pwede mo siyang biru-biruin. And what I also like is, for example, if you made an order, they would be able to set up expectations kung gaano katagal yun. So for example, 15 minutes, I observed that it's really within 15 minutes time frame. And also the service crew here are also attentive, hindi naman sila mahirap tawagin. So if you're gonna be asking me regarding the service, I would say my scoring for them, it's going to be have.
Oh my God! Wow!
Kasi I just felt naman that they are really very accommodating and they were able to accommodate our requests and any questions that we have regarding the food and the pricing as well. Now let's go to the last, which is the most important, which is about the food. So the food, if you're gonna be asking me, I think the most outstanding do sa mga kinain ko is the takoyaki. I should say na very fluffy yung takoyaki. It was hot when it was served. Yung cheese is very delectable kasi yung cheese sa labas, meron din cheese sa loob. And then you can really feel the texture of the octopus inside the takoyaki. And then, yung sauce na ginagamit nila, hindi siya overpowering. It's just enough to balance the flavor. So if you're gonna be asking me, ang pinaka most recommended only food dito would be the takoyaki. Well, if I'm gonna be saying with the pasta, ang kinuha ko kasi is yung unlimited spaghetti, which is patterned after the Jollibee Pinoy spaghetti, which is a little bit sweet. It's just sad to say na the noodles is a little bit cold when I ate it. And then, the only ramen that they have, I took the spicy tonkatsu. Oh my goodness, the broth is really good. It's just that I noticed yung egg nila, it's kinda a little bit on the saltier side. Too salty for my tasting if you're gonna be asking me. But, and I wish that sana yung mga pork cutlets niya medyo malaki kasi it's really very, very tiny. Tapos parang bilang na bilang ko, parang 3 piraso lang siya. And then when it comes to the fries, it's a hit or miss. Kasi merong mga sinerve sila na alam mo na bago luto pa yung fries. Meron naman na alam mo na hindi siya bago luto. Kasi you know what's the taste or the temperature of the fries is just newly cooked, right? But the flavoring, it's okay naman kasi I was able to taste the sour cream and the barbecue. In the fries area, medyo hit and miss sila dyan. Now, when it comes to the chicken, well, definitely I should say, personal preference mo yan, whatever flavor you have. Because some people would be liking the spicy, some would be liking like this, just the sweet. Yung iba naman gusto nila medyo savory. But among all the flavors that I have tasted, ang pinakamasarap dito is yung sweet soy garlic. Kasi yun yung best seller and now I know why. Kasi talagang ang sarap ng balance ng flavors niya. And pag kinain mo yung wings, naramdaman mo yung heat, andun pa yung mainit talaga, nakakaluto lang niya. Which is good, crispy siya, tapos juicy rin yung inside ng wings. Which is also, I would like to commend them for being able to do that. Kasi syempre, ang dami nun, di ba? And then, ang servings nila dito is 4 flavors per plate. So, ganun siya. And then, what else did we get? The only drinks, I wish there could be other options kasi puro soft drinks na siya. At least may iced tea, right? Other options, parang ganun. What else? Only fries. May only rice din sila. But I was not able to take the only rice anymore. I cannot take it. I just wish siguro, when it comes to the selection of the food, sana may dessert. Right? O kaya meron silang tea or coffee or yung parang mga hot drinks. Kasi at least sa mga unli foods, gusto mo na parang medyo bumaba yung tama mo after you ate something that is really very heavy. At least sana meron silang ganong options. But overall, I have a good experience naman. So if you're gonna ask me, what would be my verdict? It's going to be curry. Ayan. So, kayo ba? Ano ba mga favorite food nyo na mga unli, na mga restaurant? Mag-comment kayo down below para makapag-suggest din kayo and I could go and visit those places para mabigyan ko rin kayo ng review. Because definitely, one of the things I wanted to do is share my experiences, especially dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta sa lugar na to, para at least you can have an idea of what to expect. And syempre, para at least, parang kasama ko na rin kayo, right? So, I hope that you subscribe, support, share, and watch this channel. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. Balay mo magkita tayo sa next restaurant na pupuntahan. So see you again mga kabuuts. Bye!